Automatic loading machine. Automatic edge grinding machine. Octagonal chamfering and burring. By removing the burrs, it can prevent the damage to the rubber rollers, the pollution to the glue, and increase the service life of the rubber rollers. High-density brushes block burrs that fall on the panel surface. Three-belt electrostatic dust removal. Powerful dust blowing with double air blowers. Preheating in the oven. Sticking rollers to remove floating dust. Gluing. Into the laminating machine. Automatically trimming the long side of the film. Split the board manually. Automatic unloading machine.